In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your username on Twitter. So what you want to do is go to Twitter, go over to Settings and Privacy, Account, Username, and then I'm going to type in your new username right here. So I'll type in mine. It'll make sure that it is available. Click done. And then just like that, my username has been changed. So like on my profile, it used to be at 2mintutorials, and now it's at JCB Tutorials. So that is how you change your username on Twitter. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to help you out.